Hello everyone, I'm Hongfu Li, the distributor of Newntide in Xinla City, Hebei Province. Right now, we're at a campus, Hebei Academy of Fine Arts in Xinla City, Hebei Province. The campus covers a total floor area of over 470,000 square meters and has more than 36,000 students. Behind me, you can see 32 units of 45 kilowatts heat pumps from Newntide in operation. Among them, 22 units are installed on the rooftop, and 10 units are placed on the ground floor, providing heating and cooling for the teaching building, which covers about 68,000 square meters. Since the heat pumps were put into operation in January 2024, it's been running steadily for over a year. Throughout its operation, we have received positive feedback and high praise from the campus. Newentide's commercial heat pumps can deliver reliable performance and long-term savings. Contact us to learn how we can support your project.